Pen spring protection. Introducing a pen spring near the ends of phone or laptop cables helps in increasing their lifespan and prevents breaking. Putting a rubber band across paint can. In order to remove extra paint from the brush while painting a wall, one may place a rubber band across the paint can. Easy to pour dressings. After removing the cap of a bottle containing oil or any type of food dressings, one may simply poke holes in its foil lid. This will prevent many calories from getting wasted and provide a clean dressing on food items. Easy to use snacks. Placing snacks such as cornflakes or peanuts in empty coffee creamer jars allows a person to use the right amount of snacks. They not only help in easing out snack times at home, but are also easy to carry and use in the back seat of cars or at the parks. Aloe vera ice cubes. Sunburns can be completely treated by applying aloe vera to the affected area. If this remedy is enhanced by the provision of frozen aloe vera in the form of ice cubes, it will provide the ultimate relief. Use a paper clip to find the edge of tapes. One might undergo an exhausting episode in finding the edge of tapes. This can be made simpler by simply pinning the edge of the tape by a paper clip. Use scan tabs to hang extra clothes. One may hang their extra clothes by hanging a can's tab from both the sides on hangers. Batteries plus cables plus pencil is equal to fire. By combining the two sides of a pencil with the car battery via jumper cables will help in conducting electricity through the graphite core of the pencil. This will smash the pencil into flakes of fire. Finding direction. In case you get lost in a forest and lose out on your directions, you may use a container filled with water and put a leaf on top. After putting a leaf, put a needle on the leaf after rubbing it on your outfit in order to magnetize. The Earth's magnetic field will align the needle on the north-south pole. Getting rid of insects. Burning of herbs such as rosemary, thyme or mint produces a specific odor which kills the insects and helps in getting rid of them. Make your shoes waterproof. To prevent the hassle of drying your shoes in case they get wet, you may simply choose to make them waterproof. This requires beeswax and a blow dryer. Spread beeswax all over your shoes and apply a blow dryer on it until it melts and does not remain visible. Dry your clothes faster. When it's taking too long for you to dry your clothes, you may simply put the wet garments on your towel and roll the towel with the clothes inside it. Squeeze the towel as much as you can in order to soak water inside the towel. These clothes can later be hung for proper drying. Get rid of your smelly shoes. If you are unable to tolerate the strong smell of shoes, place a few tea bags in order to absorb the bad odor. In case the shoes are wet, you may also place uncooked rice and baking soda for a few days inside the shoes.